In this lecture, we will code a basic Hello World program in Kivy. Now that Kivy was successfully installed on our computer, let's jump into getting some hands-on experience using the program. We will go into PyCharm and start writing some code. Up at the top of the program, we will import Kivy. Also, we want to import kivy.app so that we get access to its app class, and kivy.uix.label so that we get access to its label class. The next step is to use the class keyword and create a class for our app. I will name my class example app. Then we need to make our class extend Kivy's app class. If you remember back to the object-oriented programming section, we do this by specifying the base class in parentheses after the class name. So we will add a set of parentheses and inside of them type kivy.app.app. Inside of this class we will implement the build function that takes in the self parameter. Inside of this function we will return kivy.uix.label.label. We will assign the label the text of Hello World. This will show the text Hello World inside of our mobile application. The final step is to go outside of our class and create an example app object from our class by typing the name of our class and then a set of parentheses. Then we will type .run to run our mobile application. When we run the code, you will notice some printouts to the console. Even though these are red, don't be alarmed. That is just Kivy doing its thing. We should see the app window pop open and display the text Hello World on it, based on the code that we wrote. Awesome job. Now that you understand the basics, let's create an app that is more complex and mimics the skills you would use to build a real-world mobile application. In the next lecture, we will plan out the app that we will build in this section.